Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be revealing my new project. This is 2015 Dodge Ram 3500, and I wanna say right away, this is not my truck. This is my subscriber truck, and this truck is being sitting here since November, I believe. And I told him right away I can't start this truck until either I get finished with the GMC or at least until I get that thing started and running. I told him I'll start this truck in January, which didn't happen because of this truck that GM had. So this is currently February 1st, and I had to put the GMC aside, same as the Ford, and get to this project. This is it, guys. This is the 2015 Ram 3500, and as you can see, it looks like there's no damage. So this truck already been kind of fixed. My dent repair did some work on it, so let me show you what it has right now. So right now it's a broken headlight, driver's side, the bented fender. This door was bented also, but I need to do some work on it. As you can see, if I point on the sun, there is still waviness over here. I didn't want to do the body work, that's why I give it to dent repair. So he did as best as he can. Now I'm gonna sand it with the 600 or 320 and apply a primer over here. This fender gonna be painted fully painted door, blend. And same thing with the bed. Actually, you can see what I'm talking about. Let me try to show it to you. I don't know. Well, there you go. You can see this roughness. So this area right here, I'm gonna be priming. So this whole side of the bed was dented in. I'm gonna show you all the pictures, how it was. This bumper, we're gonna leave it alone for now. He don't wanna fix it for now. It was some kind of dents over here. I'm gonna do touch up on this side. I don't remember, there was some kind of dents on these doors and this side of the truck. I just don't remember which it was, since it was long ago. As you can see, this fender is bented also, and this fender gonna be replaced. The headlight, this good headlight, but he got me custom ones, aftermarket fenders, Kappa certified. Also, we're gonna be cutting this bar out. He don't like the look of it, so I'm gonna be grinding over here, cut it down, weld this hole, and gonna grind everything off so it looks good. Same thing over here, and basically this bumper is gonna be without this headlight covers, or I don't know how you can call them. This is what is it, made in USA, FNF, Fabrius, Fab Fowers, or whatever it is. This bumper probably right around $1,500. This truck is I believe it's Ram Bighorn. I don't know. This truck came from Utah. Here's the sticker. What is it? Laramie H. Miller, Chrysler Jeep Ram, Boise, driven by you. So I guess this truck was from Boise, but we purchased from Utah. And when we was bidding on it, it was insurance truck. It says the damage only. Here's the back seat. It's not leather or anything. Let me open up the front door. I had to take this door apart so dent repair can do his job on the door. Let me get the key out so it does not beep. And what I wanted to show you guys, even though you're buying from insurance company, there's not 100% that they're telling the truth. So we purchased this truck, like I said, as damage all over. but when we receive the truck we find something else. Over there on the passenger side you can see this truck actually was flooded, and you can see the water was all the way to there. Stinks over here like a flooded truck, and over here you can clearly see how bad it was. So this truck was halfway under the water, and you can see also this panel and this panel is clean. So they basically cleaned this truck before they took a pictures, so you don't see this truck was flooded. On this door you still kind of see the mark over here where the water was. You can clearly see leftovers from the water, dirt water. So I guess they flooded the truck. They ran into something and flooded the truck. I don't know if this case also to tell if that truck was flooded or not, but you can clearly see this thing was flooded and it smells. But the truck starts, everything works on it. The only issue this truck have is 4x4. So, and also check engine light is on. I don't know why I haven't checked it yet. Like I said, this is the first day. When I start working, I'm gonna be starting working on the truck. So let's see. Start right up. Let's see if this issue gonna come up or not. Like I said, this truck is fully deleted. See, something weird is going on with this truck. The hood to see what's going on. Let's shut it off for now. I don't know what's going on with this truck. There's something bad going on probably. I don't know. It looks like oh, what is it? If it's smokes black, that means not enough air, too much fuel. So it's getting a lot of diesel, I guess. There's some kind of wire over here that goes right over there. Honestly, I don't know what is this wired for. I delete my truck and I don't have that wire. So as you can see, it's fully deleted. It says dealer BT diesel performance 208-888-7297. I believe they did the delete. So here's a few plugs. I don't know why they didn't delete this EGR cooler mounting. I delete on mine, so it looks cleaner. It got what is it, SNB? I don't remember the name, the brand of this intake. I left mine stock. I don't know, I just like the stock, trust the stock more. But other than that, there's not much going on over here. I can't clearly see how far it was flooded over here, but there's no water in the oil. You can see it's nice and dark, but I already had a chance a little bit work on this truck to figure it out what's going on with the 4x4. And when I took this actuator out, 4x4 actuator over there, I noticed that there's a milkiness. It means only one thing: those seals on the axles are bad and the water got in. I'm gonna have to change the fluid in the front axle, and also I'm gonna be changing the fluid in the rear axle. And also I'm gonna be changing the fluid in the engine and probably transmission to be safe. This truck have 773 miles. I believe I have a little bit more now, since I was driving this truck to the dent repair. Now, as you can see, it works just fine, no issues. I don't know what this button is for. I guess switch the tunes in between. I have no idea. But all the electronic works. The sparking works. The traction works also. I don't know why. It's probably bad sensor, and I don't know why check engine is on. I need to hook it up my OBD2 and see. If we try to switch to 4 high, nothing happening. If try to switch it 4 low, nothing happening also. So something have to be with this thing. If you wanna hit the neutral, it doesn't work, but rest of the buttons work. The trailer, this thing works also. You can see I can gain it or reduce it. So everything like that works. All the headlights works and everything. So it's something with the 4x4. And also, as you guys can see, previous owners was carrying it. This is the magnet for the guns. You can easily attach it and load it whenever you need it. This is pretty heavy duty and magnetic for the guns. So now I raised up the RPMs and see it started doing the same thing. So this is it. I mean, there's nothing much going on with this truck. It's basically, as I would say, it's exactly the same as mine, except mine have a rubber, which I prefer more than carpet. And I have aftermarket radio. My wife got it for me. I also have manual 4x4 actuator instead of power. But other than that, same exact truck. There's nothing different. But there is 1 ton, and it's I believe it's 20s on 35s. Yep, it's 35 by 12.5 by 20. Same exact setup as mine. We're gonna be cutting this fender liner so it doesn't stick out too much. He wants me to cut it and make something so it doesn't, the water doesn't splash on the headlight. But other than that, yeah, this truck would have been really nice truck if insurance company would say this truck was flooded, but they didn't. Let's see what kind of exhaust this thing have. Full straight pipe. No, actually have resonator, but other than that, it's straight 3.5-inch pipe. Nothing going on in the bed. Pretty clean actually. Not much damage in the bed. There's few scratches, but not a whole lot going on. And I believe they start putting those fifth wheel in 2016 or 2017. So basically this truck is same as my truck, except this is the automatic, mine is stick shift, and mine is lifted on 5-inch. And this is the only leveling kit, which is 2-inch over here. And other than that, that's it. Same exact truck. So I know exactly how to work on this truck, because I had same exact truck. I still have same exact, and it was side swiped. Fixed that one. I'm really happy with the truck. Drives nice, but I'm tired of the stick shift. That's why I'm gonna fix the Sierra for myself. And the Dodge probably gonna have to go, but we'll see how things gonna go. Now let's get this truck in the garage. Hopefully this thing will fit. So guys, let's see if I'm gonna be able to fit this thing in here. Leveling kit, 35s. I think it's gonna be really close. Let's see. What do you think? Am I gonna be able to fit? Slowly. Let's see. Looks like I will. Check it out, couple inches away. Wow, that's really close. Okay, the middle was the highest point. Let's see if this thing getting close, getting close. Oops. Oh man, that is really close. Just like that, I found the solution. Here's my solution. Lift the gate a little bit up so it gives me enough clearance over here. Now it's just fine. Yep. Okay guys, I got the truck inside. I'm actually surprised that this thing is fit on 35s and leveling kit. It was inches from the door, but it's inside and ready to be taken apart, which I'll do tomorrow. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and also if you want to see the inside scoop before YouTube, follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you next one.